Welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to transfer data from ZBD to Coinbase. First of all, open the Coinbase app on your device. Then sign up for your account. I have already signed up. Let's start with Coinbase. What we need to do is create a Lightning invoice for our BTC. First, click the Transfer button. Then click Receive Crypto. After that, select the Bitcoin and then click the Lightning option. Now enter the amount you want to receive, either in your currency or you can click here to change it to BTC, and then click Create Invoice. After that, simply click the Copy button. Next, let's go to ZBD, where we have now almost completed the first few steps. All we need to do next is click Paste and Continue. Then just slide the arrow all the way to the right. Once you have checked the fees and your balance will be transferred. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily.